Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Evolution, your go to channel for the latest technology breakdowns. Today we're diving deep into Apple's next innovation in the wearables market, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. With its release expected in 2024, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is generating buzz across tech circles, and today we're going to dissect everything we know so far: leaks, rumors, expected features, design updates, and of course, whether it's worth the wait. Let's explore how Apple plans to elevate their already impressive smartwatch lineup with the Ultra 3. We follow Apple's previous product cycles. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is likely to be announced during the fall event alongside the iPhone 16 series. This would maintain Apple's September launch tradition, placing the Ultra 3 at the forefront of their 2024 product unveiling. Expect Apple Watch Ultra 3 to be a flagship product, setting new standards for wearables in durability, performance, and health-focused technology. When it comes to design, Apple tends to strike a balance between innovation and maintaining a recognizable aesthetic. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is rumored to stay true to its rugged, durable build that has become a hallmark of the Ultra series. While some were hoping for a significant redesign, especially with whispers of a slimmer, sleeker form, this may not materialize in this iteration, Apple Watch Ultra 3 display. One of the most anticipated changes was the possibility of a micro LED display debuting. However, rumors now point to Apple sticking with OLED technology, but with significant improvements. Expect Ultra 3 to feature a low-energy OLED panel that enhances battery life while still delivering crisp, vibrant visuals with high brightness levels. OLED displays are known for their superior contrast, color accuracy, and responsiveness, making them an ideal choice for a premium wearable like the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Plus, for adventurers and fitness enthusiasts, having a display that performs well in both direct sunlight and low-light conditions is crucial, and this is where OLED will continue to excel. Battery life is one of the most critical aspects for smartwatches, particularly for users who rely on it during long outdoor adventures or heavy fitness routines. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to improve on the already impressive battery life of its predecessors. Some rumors also suggest that solar charging might be explored, though this feature could be more likely in future iterations. This is a more comprehensive, original take on the Apple Watch Ultra 3, mixed with important keywords to help it rank better on YouTube. The details cover the expected features, design, performance improvements, and market positioning, aiming to engage tech-savvy users and enthusiasts.